Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I've been filming this morning for, you would have probably seen it last week, another overlocker video for you. And I have been doing quite a lot of thinking lately about, we're getting deep real quickly. I just want to have a chat. Basically, YouTube has become a little bit of a safe space for me, and I do really love it. I do really love making videos. I love making content. However, I'm sure you are all aware that it takes a lot of effort and a lot of time to plan my videos, film them, different shots, different angles, edit them, and then upload them so you can see them. I think when I started like getting back into the swing of work things, I set this goal of like doing weekly videos because it gave me quite a lot of purpose, and I was sort of really excited to like get back to work and get back to doing. And essentially what has happened is my mental health is being really affected at the moment. I am really burnt out, and I'm feeling really burnt out and stressed all the time, and I'm just really shattered. And to top it all off, these videos are free. So, you know, I'm paying for my little one to be in nursery and things like that, so I can have more time to sort of like do stuff and get my head together and, you know, sort the house out and sort paperwork out and, you know, do my commission work on the side when that comes in. But these videos are adding like an extra level of like pressure, stress. And at the start I was really just going along with the motions of it. But they're not earning. I get a really tiny revenue from ads that appear on my videos. But because my view count isn't ridiculously high, because obviously I'm making videos for like small niche groups of people when they need them. You know, I don't have these like big viral weekly videos that millions of people watch. The money that I earn from them is basically nothing. So with that in mind, I really just want to take a break from uploading to YouTube. I'm also taking a break from my Patreon because my free motion videos that I've been doing every month, again, I'm earning very little money from them, and they do take quite a lot of effort to plan and film and whatever like this. And I haven't had that many people sign up. So it's just another thing of putting in loads of hard work and effort to something that I'm really not gaining much from. And it's not that I don't want to share my knowledge. Like I do love teaching. I really, really love teaching. But I really have to just prioritise me for a little bit. And I think becoming a mum for the first time has obviously been quite an emotional, overwhelming journey anyway. And I really wanted to be a present mum, and I was really excited that I was self-employed, so I had loads of flexibility, that I could be around all the time. And my little one's only in nursery 2 mornings a week, and the rest of the time I am like a full-time mum. And I really wanted that. Me and my partner both wanted that. That's what we agreed. But any money that I earn on the side is obviously nice and beneficial. But I am just putting in so much time and effort right now, and I'm just really shattered. And then to top it all off, I haven't made anything for myself at all. I started that fun project that I think if you follow my channel quite closely, I mentioned that I was starting this little patchwork project on the side just to get me in like the sewing mood and like enjoy it again. And I haven't done anything since then because anytime I'm in here, I'm filming. So I just want to like enjoy sewing again for a little bit and make things that I want to make. And I've got that baby quilt that I wanted to make of my little one's baby outfits. Still haven't started that, but like that's something I really, really want to do. So yeah, I'm not stopping these videos forever. I just am taking a break, and I don't know how long that break's going to be. I just really want to gain clarity of what I actually want and what I want to do and what I'm passionate about. Because I'm just feeling a little bit lost at the moment. Honestly, I'm just feeling a bit lost. So yeah, this is my offloading to you. It's like a therapy session. I'm sure all of you will say some really lovely things, but I hope you understand where I'm coming from, and I hope that, you know, you do value the content that I put out there. And I put like a little thing on my YouTube community chat the other day about, you know, maybe I should get rid of the Patreon and then do a membership only thing on YouTube, because YouTube do their own membership program. But, you know, what a lady commented saying about how loads of YouTubers do have Patreons and memberships and stuff, and you can't sign up to all of them because otherwise you'd just be paying so much money. And so I don't really want to add that again. I was like, maybe I shouldn't give up the videos, maybe I just need to earn a bit more money from them. But I think I just need to take a step back and work out whether I want to do a membership program, whether that's even like going to be popular. All these things are like, well, I just need to like switch off for a while, enjoy the springtime. And yeah, my little one's going to be 2 in the summer, so I just want to like chill for a bit and see how that goes. And all my digital products and my workshops that are on the website will still be available. You can go and learn applique or free motion embroidery, anything like that helps. And if you want to order any supplies, fabrics that I've got left in stock, they're all discounted. I've got loads of discounted patterns. Anything like that you want to help me clear some stock out, that would be great while I'm away. But yeah, I just want to take a break and then fall in love with sewing again and find me again. Like, find, not that I'm the same person that I was, but I just need to find out who I am in this present moment. Like, I am a mum, but I don't know who Sophia is anymore. So I just need to find her again. This is honestly like a therapy session. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again very soon for another one, maybe whenever I feel like it. Happy handmade, everyone.